Most traders don't fail prop firm evaluations because they can't trade. They fail because they're making decisions in real time with no structure. Same type of trader, same market. One passes, one ends up resetting again. If you're stuck in that reset cycle, or you pass an evaluation, then blow the funded account a week later, that's not random. It usually comes down to this: treating your account like a lottery ticket. Sizing up, pressing, hoping one trade fixes everything. And the market just doesn't reward that. What it actually rewards is structure. Not more indicators, not a better entry. Just a framework you follow the same way every day. For me, everything changed when I simplified things way down. Instead of trying to maximize every trade, I focused on controlling risk first. Trading small enough to stay calm. Having a fixed risk per trade, and knowing exactly when I'm done for the day. Even something as simple as trading one contract changes your psychology more than people expect. You're not trying to hit home runs anymore. You're just executing. The trader that fails is reacting, adjusting, pushing. The trader that passes already knows the rules before the session even starts. Same opportunities, just a completely different approach. And when you do that, something interesting happens. You don't need a crazy win rate. You don't need perfect entries. You just need structure and let the math play out over time. If you don't already have a framework like this, that's exactly what I spent time putting together for myself. Simple rules, risk guardrails, and a way to approach this without turning it into such an emotional roller coaster. If you're tired of resetting, or just want to approach this more like a professional, it'll give you a solid starting point. A lot of traders spend hundreds on resets without ever changing their approach. If that sounds familiar, I put together a short ebook based on what actually helped me. If you get even one useful idea from it, it's probably worth your time. I also have some downloads available on my resource page. Make sure to check them out as well. Thanks for watching, and good luck in your trading.